Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how we can integrate cal.com to our Squarespace website. So let's hop over to our Squarespace website, which we have here. First of all, we need to go over to cal.com to get the required code. When we're on the site, what we need to do is find the event type which we want to have on our site. In my case, it's this intro call. So let's click these three dots, click embedded, and then we'll be met by some options. Here, the inline embed, but also the floating pop-up button. In this video, I'm going to show you the inline embed and also the button. So let's start with the button. So we start by clicking the button. Then we will get some customization options on the left here. What I will do for this video only is just so it comes on the left side, but you can also change the color and you can check this out yourself. So what we need to do is copy the code, come over to our Squarespace website, just save this. Then we want to come through and go to the website tools, which you can do by doing this, by clicking pages, website tools, and then we're going to go into the code injection. So what we want to do for the button is simply just copy the code and save, and bada bing, bada boom, we can see that the button is there. Now for the inline embed, we click on the three dots again, then inline embed. And here as well, you will have some customization options. I won't bother with that. Just copy the code, go over to Squarespace, click edit, add a block, and this has to be a code block. Put that in the middle or where you want to have it, to replace that code with our code. And we can just drag it a little bit out. And again, click save and exit. And again, bada bing, bada boom, the cal.com integration is there. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. If you want to hire me to build your Squarespace website, you can do so by clicking the links below. And as always, enjoy the rest of your day.